We've got three bracketed terms and we've been asked to put it in the general form of a cubic effectively. So we've got to multiply everything out. So the system here is multiply the first two brackets out into a quadratic in x squared and then multiply each term by x and then each term by -5. Let's have a go at it. So let's work out the quadratic from those first two brackets. And the usual routine gives us x squared. Okay, the underneath we've got -x and +3x making +2x and the last term -3. So now we've got to multiply our answer here by the last remaining term, x minus 5. So all these terms get multiplied by x, and then all of these terms get multiplied by -5, and we have a long list which we can then add. So first of all, the x. This becomes x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x. Going on, now multiplying by -5, which means you've got to remember to change the sign of all of the results and multiply by 5. So this becomes -5x squared, -10x, +15. Now we've got to gather everything together. These two guys are unique. There are no other numbers, there are no other x cubed terms. We've got the x squareds, which are here and here, and we've got the x's, which are here and here. Okay, so this equals x cubed. Now the x squareds, we've got a +2x squared, -5x squared, so this is -3x squared. Now the x's, a -3 and a -10 makes -13x. And the number I copy and paste at the end, 15. And that's the answer.